Hey everybody, it's Tina here. I hope you're having an awesome day. Hey, I'm going to show you how to see your competitors' traffic data without buying an analyzing tool. Okay? This is simple and easy. Now, this only works on Bitly short links and Google shortener. Okay, and it's simple, easy. If you've been wondering how much traffic your competitors are getting to their websites, or are they making any sales and all that, so let me show you how to do this. And it's awesome. It's awesome way to really hack or spy on your competitors. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, first of all, go and find a video on YouTube or a Facebook post with a bit.ly link. Okay, I'm over here on YouTube, and let's see, this video got 94,000 views. Let's see if they have a bit.ly link, and we can see if they're actually making sales from their link or this video. Okay, so you're going to click on it. Okay, you're going to scroll down and see if he has any bit.ly link, affiliate links, or whatever. Okay, so he does. Join my affiliate team. Let's see what we can find out about how many visitors he's getting to this. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go and open up a new tab. Alright, paste that bit.ly link in there, and then add a plus sign at the end of it and click enter. Now, here you go. This is his website traffic. Okay? This is his website traffic. It's showing that he's gotten 6,481 clicks. Okay? Now, let's see. I should have signed into my bit.ly, but I didn't. When you sign into bit.ly, it will show you where the traffic is coming from. Okay? But this is a perfect hack to see your competitors' traffic data now and fast. So I hope this helps y'all, especially when you're trying to outrank somebody. This can help you a lot. This can help you when you're trying to sell the same product that he's doing and that. But I'm going to show it you again how this works. Okay, so let's go and find another maybe he has another bit.ly link. Okay, yeah, he does. Alright, because most affiliate marketers, if you are into affiliate marketing, they use bit.ly links or Google URL shorteners. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go up here, open a new tab. You're going to click on it. Make sure you put the plus sign at the end and then push enter. There you go. So he's gotten 1,210 clicks on his how to start or grow a widely profitable e-com business. So there you go. It helps me with doing SEO for clients that I have, and I have to outrank people, or I outrank their competitors. This helps me a lot to do that. So if you want to know more, there's going to be a link in the description below. You can click on that link and you can go and purchase my course, where you will learn how I make extra money from home on YouTube and so on. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Please subscribe now and turn on that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. Peace.